But yeah, today on Grade the Car Projects, we change tail light in a horse trailer. But these steel beam bulbs are a little different. It's a 1TL6R, and it's a little intuitive. There's no screws or anything, but what you do is you get a thinner screwdriver and just get up under it and pop it out. It took me a minute to figure out how to get these out, and it's easier with two hands, and you have another hand that can push, but just kind of like that and pull it out, and it's got plugs there. And I've got a new light bulb. I also bought a set of LED ones, but the LED ones are going to be here who knows when, so I ended up having to get a regular one to replace it. But I should unwrap this first. You can see the information again, and it's kind of a sealed beam light. You see that it has a light, watch finger, has a light bulb in there, but it's hard mounted and it's sealed in, so it's a sealed beam, and it has a 3-plug prong which has come preloaded with electric grease, which is nice to help seal it. And I said this is gonna be pretty quick. Okay, I hit a button. This is why I normally have a camera guy, but I'm at the farm, so I don't have Lou here to, or anyone else really. Let's see. There we go. That just pops out straight. There's the old one. Let's plug the new one in. Just line those pins up best you can, and then it pops in, pushes down. Well, I got one that's not wanting to line up quite right. All right, I'm going to do this with two hands because I got to push on both sides. Oh, nope, maybe. Oh, there, I got it. I was going to say I was going to do it two hands. Just had to get a finger in the shot. Then I had it. All right. Now, before I push that back in, I'm going to hook the trailer lights up, turn the ignition key, and see if the light works. All right. Turn signal on. And there we go. So working tail light. So problem's all fixed. So that was a quick, easy, short one, but that was a little intuitive because it took me a minute to figure out how to get this light out because I hadn't dealt with one of these before. Everything I've ever dealt with on trailers was a screw in of some kind. This was a pop in, and it's just a matter of getting a screwdriver in there and popping out the top part, that part, which might be fun figuring out, but I guess it wouldn't matter if it was wire up. This one's wire down, but either way, if it'll focus, you can see the information on the back of this one. And that gives you your wiring, tail, signal, and ground. Just in case you get this and you don't have a plug, you have just pins in. And you can see this one's a burnout bulb. And like I said, I do have some LED ones that are coming, but who knows when they're going to be here. So we need this, so that had to be done. Well, until next time. Oh, I better show you how to push it back in. All right, we'll do that while it's still blinking. Put your wires back, like so. Do the wires back behind the rubber, Get the bottom in there, and then you just push that in, and there you go. And it's done. And that's it. All right, until next time, there's another Crazy Car Production. Have a good one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, bug people with it. Have a good one.